welcome back to our Reading Lab Review podcast with me, Ani Nur Hidayati. In this podcast, we will share reflection and reviews from the passionate readers, Kinsey readers, right? Just like you guys, students from English education major. Yes. So whether you love fiction, education, or social issues, yes, this podcast will give you a reason to pick up your book, article, journal, or anything and start reading again, right? Well, today's episode is very special because we are going to talk about one of the most meaningful classic stories ever written, The Little Prince by Antoine de Saint-Exupéry. Well, please, from the first, you can introduce yourself.
Okay, my name is Syahad Nur Fadilah.
And my name is Zaki Aril Istiar.
And my name is Suwayatul Muna.
My name is Farida Zahra Kuimba.
Yeah, don't be nervous, just relax. Yeah.
Okay, Miss Relax.
Okay, the first questions. What made you interested in reading this book? Start from?
Because the content is very meaningful and interesting.
That's all?
Yeah. Only this. Because mostly book in the past
Yes.
have a same pattern.
Yeah.
In the beginning, in the middle, and the conclusion it's same.
Yeah.
Mostly.
Okay, for me, honestly, I heard this book from my friend. My friend told me about this book, The Little Prince. Like, they said this book is very good and meaningful. So I got attractive. Like, I interested with this book and I read. And yes, the book is so interesting.
For me, first time I know about this book from TikTok. And then Ariel gave me information about this book and I tried to read, and this content is so meaningful because it is content about not only about love but about life, friendship, relationship. It's so meaningful.
Yeah.
For me, actually, same with Ariel. I get it from my friend, and at first I read it and I not actually understand it. And when I read it again, I start to realize it's more than just something random and more meaningful and good. And well, I'm the same with Muna.
Yeah. Do you think reading stories like The Little Prince is important for young or adult learners, and why?
Yes, I do because this book is very easy to understand. But the word is hard, but the meaning is easy to understand for adult and young learners because this book you can learn about relationship or friendship because this book like you can read every page in this book is about human activity like that.
Actually, when I first time read this book, I don't understand about the meaning. But I look for again, search again with the meaning, and I think the meaning is so good, and we can learn from this book how to make a life better, and the relationship, take responsibility, also can learn from this book.
I agree with Muna and Ariel's statements. For the conclusion, it's mean this book have many lessons for anything, for everyone.
Can you share what lesson you got from this book?
Like friendship or true values of life.
About love, perhaps?
Maybe. But In my opinion, only friendship.
Only friendship, alright. And what about you?
Actually, it's almost the same with them, and I think no, very much for me.
Oh yeah, okay. The next question is from the stories, which part of the story caught your attention the most?
I see. The part the most pay my attention is when the little prince start with his rose, because it is so how love and responsibility they are talk about. Like if you treat with your heart, that's have a deeper meaning with this one. Like if you treat your rose and you give your love, give your attention, give your everything for the rose as you do, that's have deeper meaning and that's important for your life.
Yeah.
Like that.
In my opinion, is same with Ariel again. When the little prince understood why the rose on his planet was very precious.
What make it precious?
The rose when he gave everything, like he always give water and give his love attention for his rose.
Okay. Yeah.
Same with them, but I have that part again when Prince met Fox,
Yes.
and the fox say that what is essential is invisible to the eye.
Yeah.
That we must trust in heart, not with logical.
Yes.
Yes, that's.
But as for me, I see with Muna when the little prince met with the fox, because when they're first meeting and until they becoming friends, it touched my heart, because when Fox say to approach him slowly and to it's like making connection with him, and that's I think it's awesome.
Yeah, yeah. Working to the next question, I want to know your feelings here. What emotions did you feel after finishing the stories?
Yeah.
Wow.
Happy.
No. For
Happy
me,
because I finished this book only 6 or 7 days.
Oh, yes.
Because in English it's very difficult
Actually,
for me.
yeah.
Of course, because the language is so hard to understand. Actually, for me, and then we must search again what the meaning, so we can understand what the message in this book.
yeah. I mean, perhaps you wanna share your emotion about the stories. Yeah, the meaning when you
In-
get from the books. Yeah, perhaps. Yeah.
For me, the story is sad because at the end the story, the pilot and the little prince is spirit, because the pilot should to next his life, and the little prince should separate with him with in the end of, so this when the sun rise. And the other side, I like this book because this book you can learn with life of human, because we cannot be adult but we can be grow up again and
Yeah,
again,
yeah.
like that.
You wanna add some?
Maybe I'm happy, and yes, so also because this the story is a little bit sad, and then so this story is so amazing for me.
Yeah. Sadness and warmth
Yeah.
become a one. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
India.
Feel sad when in the end, because when they Ariel.
Can you make it closer?
Okay.
Yeah.
I feel sad because when this bird it's almost too much for me. And I feel happy because apa,
Perhaps you wanna help your friends to.
Uh,
Happy because me.
because I finally can finish
This
this
the book.
this difficult book.
Oh, finally you can
Okay.
finish
Yes.
it. Okay.
I finished it in 3 days.
Oh, 3 days. Wow. That's, the lesson of this book is very deeper because when the little prince go to another planet,
Yes.
they see sifat of human. Like every planet is different. Like king and arrogant people and what is that? No.
What we call.
Wait. Aduh, lupa Miss. Oh, work people, like they always busy in work and the
Yeah.
king always so his comment with people who don't have a level like he's like king and they just
I
level
see.
bilang.
Okay. Wanna add some or not? Oh, you said that you feel sad like that at the first year, but I think you don't wanna add some. No.
I think it's hard for me to say it by words.
Mhm.
Uh,
Okay, we are going to the next questions. So, what lesson did you learn from The Little Prince? And did reading this story change your way of thinking? After reading this book, perhaps?
I have one line in that book that makes me like is very very good for us is the book says like you can be seen with the eyes but you can feel with the heart.
Oh, yeah,
If
so
like
touching.
you just can see the rose but you can see our effort we give to the rose, like that's just a rose but people just see the rose. But
Yes.
when we with the rose is different. Me with Yahya is different. Like I treat this rose like my friends. Like I will give water every morning and always sing a song with this rose, and that's have a tip for me. But Yahya just see me like that's just a rose. That's just a flower,
Yes.
just like that. Nah, you can
Yeah.
see that in that land.
The different point of view and then the difference of these.
Yes,
Yeah.
the point of view.
Yes.
different perspective.
Yeah.
Yeah. You agree?
Yes, I agree with Ariel. Because one character and other character is different.
So you got what after reading this? What lesson you?
What ya? Yeah, only true value of our life. Apa ya? Like don't touch a book by a cover.
Yeah.
Ah,
So you have to appreciate a small thing, yeah.
Yeah.
Appreciate any kind of small thing, alright. And you?
For me, what the lesson I take from this book is responsible to take the responsibility of what I have now. We must responsible. Yes.
Yeah. And how about you?
as for me, maybe just like
Yeah.
the boys.
You can make it closer.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Just yeah.
Just like like the boys,
Your friends,
I
yeah.
think people see it as just nothing.
Mm.
Can be meaningful to us,
Yeah.
and something ordinary can also be special only in our eyes.
Yes. Do you think this story like this can help readers enjoy reading English books? A story like Little Prince, The Little Prince.
For me it's hard because the English is not common.
Yeah.
So
That's right.
we must really understanding the word because this about life and this the book listen is about life, how we not every word is common in our life because they have some unique, maybe like the other planet like the Little Prince, so
Yeah.
that's we should learn deeper with the vocabulary.
It has high imagination. Like
Yes.
Like language.
Combine the imagination with language skill.
Yeah.
That is very difficult.
Very hard.
So you just become an expert, like understanding two language, as you said.
Yeah. Maybe.
Okay.
For me, if we want to enjoy and just take a rest, is this book not suitable for that.
Oh yeah.
But if we want to learn deeper again,
Meaning.
it is worth it to read.
Read, yes.
Because we must learn about the meaning. We must search first for the meaning. Because if we just read, it's not just story.
Yeah.
We don't know what the meaning.
Yes.
If we don't look for or search the meaning.
Yeah. So it can increase your vocabularies actually.
Yes.
And your insight. I think that's good for you. You need to read more like this.
Yeah. Of course.
But it's still hard because it's difficult.
Or you can see the
Yeah.
film. You can see in Netflix or anywhere because the film is same like the book but so much cut from the book. So you read first the book and you watch the film is very good.
Yeah.
Very
Yeah.
good.
So recommended.
Yeah.
For my opinion, it's mostly the same with them.
Mhm.
It's hard to understand with so many different difficult vocabularies
Mhm.
and not for beginners English. Maybe even for native, they still need to open dictionary.
Yeah. We hope you enjoyed this discussion and feel inspired to read the whole of this book. Yeah, of course, yeah, The Little Prince. And don't forget to follow our reading podcast and share it with your friends. Yeah. Stay tuned for our next session. Keep learning, keep reading. See ya.
Yeah.